Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to EQ your voice on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you first need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, or you can download the application. After that, you can go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and EQ your voice on Descript. So it is pretty simple, but firstly, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the projects, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers and templates, and we have the workspace here. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about your profile and your new project button, which is one of the most important things in the app. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and EQ your voice on Descript. So first of all, click on the audio track in the timeline. So first you need to click create the project, click audio project, and here you have your click audio track in the timeline that you want to EQ. Then go to properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the plus icon to choose the EQ from the list of audio effects. Use the sliders to boost your or cut specific frequency ranges. You can use presets like vocal limit, bass, or customize settings manually. Play back the audio to hear how EQ changes affects your voice. Additionally, adjustments as needed until you achieve the desired sound quality. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.